Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Akansha and I'm back with a new video for you guys. So this video is a bit different from the videos that I make, as some of you might know or may not know. A friend of mine has got an admission in the University of Leeds and she's coming in the September intake. I am super excited for her. So she has asked me for helping her to find a good student accommodation. So what I would be looking for in a student accommodation is that it is near to the university and it is a great value for money and it has both security and safety. So what I'll do is I'll go to Leeds and do some property tours and we'll make a video of that for you guys as well so that आप भी देख सके कि लीड्स में कैसी प्रॉपर्टीज हैं. So my mission is to find a student accommodation that is close to the campus, has safety and is a great value for money. And I have packed my bag and I'm all ready to go. So guys, I have an appointment to view United Student Accommodation in Leeds क्योंकि देखो अगर बात की जाए अच्छी और ट्रस्टेबल अकोमोडेशन की तो यूनाइटेड स्टूडेंट एक बहुत ही अच्छी अकोमोडेशन है एंड दे आर इन द मार्केट फॉर लाइक past 30 years now, which is a good long time, and more than 70,000 students live in United Student Accommodations every year. और गाइज अगर आप लोग भी सितंबर इनटेक में लीड्स आ रहे हो या आपके कोई जानने वाला लीड्स आ रहा है तो आप ये वीडियो उनके साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं. ये बहुत हेल्पफुल वीडियो हो जाएगी क्योंकि मैं इस वीडियो में आपको 3 प्रॉपर्टीज़ का टूर देने वाली हूँ, यूनाइटेड स्टूडेंट की प्रॉपर्टीज़ विच आर इन लीड्स, एंड उसमें मैं कवर करूँगी रूम टूर्स एंड द जिम, द कॉमन एरिया एंड मच मोर थिंग्स. सो ये एक बहुत ही हेल्पफुल वीडियो हो जाएगी आपके लिए या आपके फ्रेंड्स के लिए एंड दे कैन डिसाइड देयर अकोमोडेशन वाइजली. I have finally reached Leeds and I'll be giving you United Student property tours one by one now, so stay tuned. So the first property that we'll be looking at is the plaza, and this is the common area of the plaza. So let's have a look. So you'll get a lot of space in the common area and there are a lot of chairs and desks for you to hang out with your friends or to study. There are 2 study rooms, private study rooms for you to book and study with your friends during your exam times. You also get oven to heat up your food. Moving forward, you can have a look at the whole common area, which is spacious enough for a lot of students. Now we'll move to the classic ensuite room, and as you can see, it is spacious yet cozy. So you can see that you've got a mirror, then you have got a big desk with a chair, and there are overhead spaces for you to keep your stuff, and a bed which is 3/4 size, which is enough for a single person. Then you also get a cupboard to keep your clothes and other stuffs in that. In the ensuite room, you get an attached bathroom where you get space to have a bath and a toilet seat, wash basin, and again a mirror. For an ensuite room, you'll be sharing your kitchen with 4 to 5 or 6 flatmates of yours, and you'll get oven, toaster, kettle, fridge, everything you need. The approximate rent of the classic ensuite in the plaza could range between £160 to £190 per week, and you can have a look in the United Student website for more information. Now let's move to the next property, and the name of the property is Clarence Dock, and this is the classic ensuite room of the Clarence Dock, and as you can see, it is spacious enough and you've got a 3/4 size bed. You've also got an attached bathroom where you have got space to have a bath, toilet seat and mirror and a wash basin. And this is the full look of the room. You'll be sharing your kitchen for an ensuite room, and you'll get a big fridge which has a lot of compartments, as you can see here in the video. You'll also get induction stove, you'll get microwave, oven and sink, and this is the storage space. And this is the dining table for you and your friends to eat together. Next is the common area of the Clarence Dock, and as you can see, it is very spacious, has a lot of seats for you and your friends to chill out, and it has a lot of games as well, such as ping ball and pool. Next is the gym area in Clarence Dock, and gym fee is included in the rent, so you don't have to pay any extra for hitting the gym. You'll get extra space to park your bike and car, and the approximate rent for classic ensuite room would be around £140 to £160 per week. The third property is the tannery, and this is the classic ensuite room of the tannery, and as you can see, this is a big cupboard to keep your clothes in. Moving further, you can see the big bed, and you can see a desk and a chair, also overhead spaces, mirror, and a big window for the sunlight to come in. You also get drawers in the desk and much more space to keep your stuff in. You'll also get attached bathroom with space to have a bath, toilet, mirror, and a wash basin. The next is the shared kitchen, which is big enough and has a lot of seating area with the couches and the seats, and you'll get stove and a lot of spaces for you to keep your kitchen items, and you'll get oven, microwave, kettle and toaster, and tables as well. And this is the storage area, and you'll get all these items as well in the accommodation. This is the washing area, and you can wash your clothes anytime you need. This is the common area, and it is spacious enough for a lot of students, and it has a lot of games as well. The rent for a classic ensuite room in the tannery would be around £140 to £160 per week, and you can have a look in the Unite Student website. You can always download the Unite Student apps for the features such as check-in, which is made simple. Yeah, you can chat with your future flatmates, you can have exclusive partner perks, and there is support for you 24/7. So guys, that was all from my side. I hope कि आपको जो भी videos मैंने आपको accommodations की दिखाई in Leeds वो helpful लगी होगी, and वो videos आपको help करेगी to make a decision and to get a good accommodation if you are planning to go to Leeds. And why I personally chose to show you the Unite Student Accommodation is that it is one of the UK's largest student accommodation provider, and it is available in 23 cities. सो अगर आप प्लान कर रहे हैं अदर सिटीज में भी लीड्स के अलावा, तो वहां भी आप यूनाइटेड स्टूडेंट अकोमोडेशंस के ऑप्शंस देख सकते हैं, एंड दे आर रियली ग्रेट वैल्यू फॉर मनी. They are safe and secure, and they are really close to the campus and to the city center. If you have any doubts or any questions, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.